Hello students, warm welcome to all of you. Today in this module we are going to discuss fifth chapter, that is arithmetic progressions, and this is one of the major topics of our grade 10 curriculum. And if you want to score more than 80% easily, please do follow, understand and see the logic behind solving every single problem easily, because they are all 1 mark problems. So let us see the first problem here, that is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. What is the nth term of an arithmetic progression? A, 3a, 5a and so on. So first let me give you a clear cut idea about an nth term of arithmetic progression, common difference, sum to n terms of arithmetic progression. So the general form, general sequence of arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. This is general form of arithmetic progression, where the common difference is equal to second term minus first term, otherwise third term minus second term, otherwise nth term minus n minus 1th term. That is for common difference. And to check whether the given terms are said to be arranged in arithmetic progression or not, you will have to check whether a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2 both are same or not. If they both are same, then the terms are said to be arranged in arithmetic progression, otherwise they are not. And what is the nth term of arithmetic progression? Nth term of arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 times d, and the sum to n terms of arithmetic progression is going to be n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is when the arithmetic progression is given. Otherwise, when you know what is the last term, then you can say that n by 2 into a plus an. A plus an is nothing but n by 2 times a plus l. This is what is the basic information about your arithmetic progression. So with the help of this, you can easily solve any sort of problem easily. Let us try to understand this problem. The given arithmetic progression here is, first term is a, second term is 3a, third term is 5a and so on. Right? What do you want? You need to find what is the nth term of arithmetic progression. Nth term means an is equal to what? What is the formula for an? That is a plus n minus 1 times d. A is going to be the first term. Of course, you know what is the first term. And d stands for the common difference. So the common difference of this arithmetic progression is a2 minus a1. a2 is 3a minus a1 is equal to small a. 3a minus a is equal to 2a. Right? Therefore, nth term of arithmetic progression is a. A is equal to, given it is, a is a only, plus n minus 1 into, what is d? D is going to be the common difference, that is 2a. Correct? Which is equal to a plus n into 2a is equal to 2an minus a in 1 into 2a is equal to 2a. If you write it in the standard form, this is 2an plus a minus 2a is equal to minus a. So that if you take one a common, so a into 2n minus 1 is nth term of arithmetic progression. So nth term of arithmetic progression is a into 2n minus 1. Can you find where is that a into 2n minus 1? A into 2n minus 1. Therefore, your correct option is B. Right. Let's move on to the next problem. The next problem is find the value of x for which 2x, x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. We already discussed about when the terms are said to be arranged in arithmetic progression. Given that first term is 2x, second term is x plus 10 and the third term is 3x plus 2 are in arithmetic progression. So let us consider this is the first term and this is second term and this is third term. Since the terms are in arithmetic progression, then a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. From this, we can say that when you transpose a2 towards left hand side and a1 towards right hand side, a2 plus a2 is equal to 2a2, which is equal to a3 is already there, transposing a1, so plus a1. It means a1 plus a3. So please do remember this. Then you can easily find out the value of x. 2a2, that implies 2 times what is a2? a2 is x plus 10 is equal to a1 plus a3. a1 is equal to 2x plus a3 is equal to 3x plus 2. Right? So when you simplify this, 2 into x is equal to 2x plus 2 into 10 equal to 20. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x plus 2. So in order to find the value of x, transpose plus 2x towards right hand side and plus 2 towards left hand side. Then it would be 20 was already there. Transposing, what is this? 20 and transposing plus 2 this side, it would be minus 2. Already 5x was there and transposing plus 2x, it would be minus 2x. What is 20 minus 2? 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 3. How much are 18? 3 6s are 18. Therefore the value of x is going to be 6. Where is that 6 here? A is 6. Therefore the value of x is equal to 6. Moving on to the next one. The first term of an AP is P. So given that first term is equal to P and the common difference is Q. Common difference, what is common difference? That is D is equal to Q. Then its 10th term is what? What is the formula for 10th term of arithmetic progression? 10th term is equal to A plus 9D. A plus 9D. Substitute the values. A is equal to P plus 9 into D is equal to Q. So P plus 9Q is the 10th term of arithmetic progression. Where is that? P plus 9Q is C. That is what is the 10th term of arithmetic progression. Moving on to the next one. Find the sum of all 11 terms of an AP whose middle term is 30. Sum of 11 terms of an AP. Find the sum of all 11 terms of an AP whose middle term is 30. See, how many number of terms are there? Number of terms is equal to 11. Correct? If number of terms is equal to 11, what would be the middle term? Middle term is going to be, suppose if it is n, the middle term is going to be n plus 1 by 2th term will be the middle term. Correct? Suppose if there are 5 terms, what would be the middle term? See, I would write here. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. There are 5 terms. What would be the middle term? Third term would be the middle term. Third term is nothing but, see, right side of 3 you have 2 terms, left side of 3 you have 2 terms, so that would be the middle term. But mathematically, suppose if you have some 100 number of terms or 201 number of terms, then it is not easy to write all the terms right in order to find out what is the middle term. So we need one strategy to find out what is the middle term. Since there are totally 5 terms, so n is equal to 5, so that I would write n plus 1 by 2th term. That is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 by 2th term is equal to third term. That is why the third term is the middle term. So I am applying the same strategy in order to find what is the middle term of 11 terms. Okay. So n by 2 plus, n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 11 plus 1 by 2. 11 plus 1 by 2th term is nothing but 12 by 2 is equal to 6th term is the middle term. So 6th term is given as 30. So 6th term is equal to 30. What is the formula for 6th term of AP? 6th term is nothing but A plus 5D is equal to 30. This is what is the information given. Now, find the sum of all 11 terms of an AP. What is S11 of an AP? Do you know what is the formula for Sn of an AP? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But how many number of terms sum we need? We want 11 terms. So S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 2a plus 11 minus 1 times d. Correct? So 11 by 2 times, this is 2a, 11 minus 1 is equal to 10d, right? From 2a plus 10d, can we take 1 2 common? Yes, obviously we can take 1 2 common. So then it would be S11 is equal to, this is 11 by 2 into 2 times a. So a plus 2 times 10, 2 times 5 is equal to 10, right? So 5d. This 2 gets cancelled. which is equal to 11 into, what is that a plus 5d? A plus 5d was already calculated as 30. So write 30 instead of a plus 5d. Then what is 11 into 30? 11 3s are 33, one more 0. So sum of first 11 terms of this arithmetic progression is 330. See how easily we calculated. But sometimes this problem can be given for even 2 marks also. So please be focused. The strategy that I am using to solve the problem. Coming to the next one, the sum of first 20 terms of the AP, 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on. See, the given arithmetic progression here is 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on, right? 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on. In this arithmetic progression, the first term A is going to be 1 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 is the common difference. Then we need to find out the sum of first 20 terms. S20 is equal to how much? What is the formula for S20? You should know what is the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Correct? Substitute the values. We need sum of 20 terms. So n is equal to 20. 20 divided by 2 times 2a. A is equal to how much? 1 plus n is again 20 minus 1 and d is equal to 3 is equal to 3, which is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10 times 2 ones are 2 plus, what is 20 minus 1? 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. 19 3s are how much? 19 3s are 57, right? So 57 plus 2 equal to 59 into 10 equal to 590. That is sum of first 20 terms of this arithmetic progression. See, this is purely formula based. You will have to identify what is A, what is D, what is N from the arithmetic progression. Then easily you can solve this problem, right? Moving on to the next problem. In an arithmetic progression, if the common difference is minus 4, I will just write what is the information given. Common difference is equal to minus 4. And the seventh term A7 is 4. Seventh term is nothing but A7 is equal to 4. Then what is the first term of arithmetic progression? Then first term is nothing but A1 is equal to A is equal to how much? Where A7 is equal to 4. What is the formula for seventh term of arithmetic progression? That is A plus 6D is the seventh term which is given as 4. And the value of D is minus 4. So that A plus 6 into minus 4 is equal to 4. So A plus into minus equal to minus, 6 4s are 24 is equal to 4. Then the value of A is equal to transpose minus 24 that side. It would be plus 24. Therefore, A is equal to 4 plus 24 is 28. Okay. So the value of A is equal to 28 with D is equal to minus 4 and the seventh term is equal to 4. Moving on to the next problem. If the first 3 terms of an AP be B, C and 2B, then find the ratio of B and C. See what are given values of arithmetic progression or given terms of arithmetic progression. B, C and 2B are in arithmetic progression. But what do you want here? Find the ratio of B and C. Then ratio of B and C means B divided by C is equal to what? We already discussed that when A1, A2, A3 are in arithmetic progression, then we can say that 2A2 is equal to A1 plus A3, right? 2A2 is equal to A1 plus A3. 2 into what is A2? A2 is equal to C is equal to A1 plus A3, that is B plus 2B. So 2 into C is equal to 2C, which is equal to B plus 2B is equal to 3B. What do you want? B by C is equal to what? So transpose C that side and transpose 3 this side. Then it would be 2 by 3 is equal to B by C. Therefore, B is to C is equal to 2 is to 3. See how easy it is? Right. Coming to the next one. Find the number of natural numbers between 102 and 998. Between which numbers? Between 102 and 998 which are purely divisible by 2 and 5. Purely divisible by 2 and 5 both. What are the numbers which are divisible by 2 and 5? If you use your brain, you are not asked to find out the numbers which are divisible by 2 or 5. Divisible by 2 and 5. What is the first number which is divisible by 2 and 5? That is 10. Because 10 is the product of 2 and 5. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 and 5, it means that the numbers which are divisible by 10. That is what is the point that you need to understand. Got my point? The numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 5 means the numbers divisible by 10. So required numbers divisible by 10. So now what are the numbers which are divisible by 10 between 102 and 998? See, between 102 and 998, can I start with 110 because it is more than 102, right? 110 and then 120 and then 130 and so on. What could be the last number? 998 is there. Can I say that 990 is the last number in this particular sequence which is divisible by 10? Absolutely. Because 998 and the next number is 1000. But 1000 is above 998, but we want the numbers below 998, right? So below 998 is what is the last number which is divisible by 10? That is 990. So 990. Let me calculate how many number of numbers are there in this. Is it an arithmetic progression first of all? Yes, absolutely. Because 120 minus 1110 is equal to 110 is equal to 10. 130 minus 120 is also equal to 10. So that it is clearly an arithmetic progression. A is equal to 110 because the first term is 110. And the common difference is equal to 120 minus 110 which is equal to 10. And we know what is the nth term also. That nth term is equal to 990. Okay. So in order to find the number of natural numbers, we are not going to find out the sum. We are going to find how many are there. So therefore, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Right? Substitute the values. An is equal to 990 is equal to a is 110 plus n minus 1 into d is also is equal to 10. How do you simplify this? First you transpose 110 this side, then it would be 990 minus 110 is equal to n minus 1 times 10. N minus 1 times 10. 990 minus 110 is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Which is equal to n minus 1 into 10. See here, 10 and 10 gets cancelled. 88 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 88 plus 1 equal to 89. So it means there are totally 89 number of natural numbers between 102 and 998 which are divisible by both 2 as well as 5. Hope you understand. So this way we can answer the problem easily. Coming to the next one, is minus 150 a term of the arithmetic progression or not? How do you check whether minus 150 comes in this order or not? Suppose minus 150 comes. Minus 150 comes means it could be either 10th term or 12th term or 100th term. We do not know. Suppose if that term exists, then we can say that minus 150 is also a part of this arithmetic progression. So what I am going to do here is, the given arithmetic progression is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. This is a decreasing arithmetic progression where the value of a is equal to 11 and common difference is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. And let, for example, you know that 150 minus 150 exists in the sequence. An is equal to minus 150. Then let us try to find out the value of n. If you get n is equal to any natural number, then definitely that minus 150 is a part of this arithmetic progression. Suppose if you get the value of n, in order to solve for n, if you get n is any negative number or n is any fraction, then that term will not be possible, will not come in this arithmetic progression, because we cannot say what is minus fifth term of arithmetic progression. Is there any minus fifth term? There is no minus fifth term. It is not possible. Can you say 2 by third term of arithmetic progression? There is no 2 by third term of arithmetic progression. So that is why we will have to avoid such numbers for n. Hope you understand? Yes. So what is the formula for an? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. The value of a given as minus 150 and a is 11 plus n minus 1 times d is equal to negative 3. Correct? Now transpose 11 this side. Then minus 150 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 times minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11 is minus 161 is equal to minus n minus 1 into 3. So minus minus cancel. If you observe here, 161 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. N minus 1 into 3 is a multiple of 3. Is this 161 a multiple of 3? Let us check. When a number 161 is divisible by 3, if the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 6 equal to 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Is that number 8 divisible by 3? Not at all. Therefore, 161 cannot be written as 3 into some number. So therefore, here n cannot be a natural number. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of the sequence. Minus 150 is not a term of this arithmetic progression. So this way we can easily figure out whether it is possible or not. Right? Moving on to the next problem. If the common difference of an AP is minus 6, then find the value of 16th term minus 12th term. Here the information given is common difference is equal to minus 6. And you need to find out the value of 16th term minus 12th term. What is the formula for 16th term of arithmetic progression? 16th term is a plus 15d minus 12th term is a plus 11d is 12th term of arithmetic progression. When you open up the brackets, then it would be a plus 15d minus a minus 11d. Now can we cancel minus a and plus a? 15d minus 11d is equal to 4d. 15d minus 11d is 4d, which is equal to 4 into the value of d is equal to negative 6. What is the value of 4 into minus 6? 6 4s are 24. So a16 minus a12 is equal to minus 24. You understand? Right. Moving on to the next problem. So maybe this is the last problem in this 1 markers. So hope you understand and how to how to answer 1 mark problems easily, because 1 mark problems doesn't take much time. Otherwise you cannot manage your time in the board examination. So that use your strategy, speed up your calculation techniques and all, so that you can easily crack all these problems. Hope you understand. Enjoy the class. Thank you.